The ultimate Jettzycomau review. Tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you love online shopping in Australia, most people get this wrong by missing out on fast delivery and reliable brands. The surprising truth about Jettzycomau is that it combines a wide product range with quick shipping and excellent customer service. First, explore the product categories. You won't believe the variety: electronics, fashion, home essentials and beauty products, all curated for quality and value. Next, understand the ordering process. Most people get this wrong by skipping account creation or ignoring filters. Jettzycomau offers a smooth interface with filters for price, brand, and category, making it easy to find what you need quickly. Look at shipping and returns. The surprising truth is that most orders arrive within days and returns are straightforward, giving peace of mind for online shopping. Finally, check reviews. You won't believe how many customers praise the combination of competitive pricing, fast shipping, and responsive support. Real experiences show that shopping is not only convenient, but reliable. In conclusion, Jettzycomau can take you from 0 to pro in online shopping. By exploring product options, using navigation tools, understanding shipping, and reading user reviews, you can enjoy a seamless, stress-free shopping experience that saves time and money.